Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should open the app, so tap the open button, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. And now we could see here information about our battery health, and in my case the battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.